In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Google Maps in Framer. Start by opening your Framer project and heading to the canvas. Once you're in, look to the top toolbar and open the Insert menu. In the panel that appears, navigate to the Social category. That's where you'll find the Google Maps component. Click it once, then click on the canvas to place it, or drag it directly into the spot where you want the map to live. If you don't see it right away, make sure the component is selected on the canvas so the right side Properties panel updates for the map. With the map layer selected, go to the Position section in the right sidebar. Here, choose how the map sits inside its parent. You can pin it to edges, center it, or keep it freeform. Next, open the Size section and set a specific width and height, or choose options like Fill to make the map stretch to the container. A quick tip: matching the map size to its parent frame prevents awkward gaps on different screen sizes. Now move through the styling controls to polish the look. In overlays, you can keep things minimal so the map remains the focus. Under Effects, add a subtle shadow if you want the map to float above the background. Switch to Styles to adjust corner radius, borders, or background behind the map's frame so it blends with the rest of your design. In Transforms, you can fine-tune scale or a slight rotation, but keep changes gentle so the map stays readable and interactive. Make sure the Google Maps layer is still selected in the Layers panel. If your page uses a scroll section, select that section to confirm the map sits in the correct part of your layout and will scroll with your content as expected. If you have multiple sections, double-check you've picked the right one so the map appears exactly where visitors expect. If you plan to add advanced interactions later, open Code Overrides to see where you'd connect those. You don't need to write anything for a basic embed, but it's good to know where that lives. When everything looks right, click Publish in the top corner. Then confirm with Update to push your changes live. After publishing, preview your page and try zooming and panning the map to ensure it's fully interactive. If anything feels off, revisit Position and Size to correct alignment, and keep overlays and effects light so the map responds smoothly.